Chapter 14. Means of Transport. People need to go to different places for different types of work. They need to go to office daily, visit their relatives, or spend their vacation at some distant place. Children go to their school daily. For all these purposes, people use different types of vehicles such as rickshaw, moped, car, bus, train, aeroplanes, etc. Moreover, we need to send goods to different places. Trucks, trains, aeroplanes, ships carry our goods to distant places. These vehicles are the means of transport. Thus, means of transport are the ways by which people and goods are moved from one place to other. Fact to know: the movement of the people or goods from one place to another is called transportation. Types of transport. Land transport. The vehicles under land transport move on roads. For example, car, bus, truck, motorcycle, bullock cart, cycle, tonga, etc. A tractor is another important vehicle in villages. Some animals like elephants, camels, and donkeys are also used to carry loads. Fact to know: the world's largest railway station is Grand Central Station in New York City in the USA. These means of transport are mostly used for short distances. Railways carry us to distant places. Train runs on railway tracks and carries many people at the same time. Train is the fastest means of land transport. Fact to know: in some areas near rivers, pieces of wood are joined together to make flatboards to float on water. They are called rafts. Water transport. The vehicles under water transport move on water surface. It is one of the oldest and cheapest means of transport. Air transport. The vehicles under air transport fly in the air. Aeroplanes, rockets, gliders, and helicopters are the examples of means of air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. We can cover very long distances in short time. Means of transport which are driven by animals. Some means of transport are driven or pulled by animals. For example, camel cart, horse cart, bullock cart, etc. These are used for traveling and carrying goods for short distances in villages. These are slow means of transport. Means of transport which are driven by men. Some means of transport are driven or pulled by men. These are also used for short distances. These are slow means of transport. For example, cycle and rickshaw. Means of transport which are pulled by engine. Some means of transport are pulled by engine using petrol, CNG, that is compressed natural gas, electricity, or diesel as fuel. For example, scooters, bikes, cars, buses, trucks, trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. These are fast means of transport in which scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses are used for traveling short distances, and trains, ships, and aeroplanes are used for long distances. Now you know. Means of transport are the ways by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. Vehicles which are pulled by men or animals are slow means of transport. Vehicles which are pulled by engines are fast means of transport. Key words: vehicle, a conveyance that transports people or objects. Transport, something that serves as a means of transportation.